Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over our AirPods Pro 2 waterproof. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering to what extent can I take my AirPod Pros 2 out? Can I take it to the rain? Can I sweat with it? Well, to simply put, AirPod Pros 2 are not waterproof, but they are a bit water resistant, meaning that it can withstand some rain and some sweat. So AirPod Pros 2 have an IPS rating of 54, which means they are resistant to sweat, water splashes, and rain. However, they are not designed for water sports, so don't take these swimming, and they should definitely not be fully submerged underwater. Now, as far as workouts or exposure to water, you want to keep that to a minimum. But even so, if you sweat in these or if you're out in the rain in them, it should be fine as far as being durable from the rain. But to simply put, once again, they are water resistant, but they should not be exposed or submerged within water. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.